Happy New Year. We have an exciting year ahead of us. We are targeting 50% profit by 31st of December 2020. Just like last year, most of the 2020 daily picks will be undervalued stocks. At the time when I pick these undervalued stocks, it will be trading lower than its fair market value. These stocks are undervalued either following a decline in demand driven by declining investor confidence, or if their fundamentals improve rapidly while the market price remains constant. In any case, if the company's fundamentals and the analyst growth projections do not justify a decline in the market price, the stock is possibly undervalued. So join me in my journey to 50% profit by December 31st, 2020. I'm super excited about this new year. As always, leave your comments and questions in the section below.